Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how to do a Nearpod just really quickly. Um, it's really easy. So I'm going to go into Nearpod. Now, when I'm in here though, you guys will have to, if you haven't ever done a Nearpod, you guys will have to sign up and do all that stuff, but it's going to automatically take me to my library. So what I'm going to do is create a Nearpod based with a PowerPoint that I've already done. Which I think is the easiest. There's an ability to do it through Google Slides, but I don't. So you can do create, and you can do Google Slides here and create the whole PowerPoint in here with the lessons and all that. But I don't do that. I just do the PowerPoint first, and then I drop it in here, which is what I'm going to show you. So if you go to create, you click on lessons. I'm going to title this one organizing by paragraphs, organizing by ideas, and then I'm going to click create. Actually, hang on, I'm going to upload my files and then I'm going to click create. I was forgetting a step. So organization by ideas, that's the PowerPoint that I already created. Then I'm going to open it. And then you're going to give it some time because it says that it'll be ready shortly. So I don't know what shortly means, but last time I was trying to create this video, it was taking forever. So once it's actually created, what you're going to do is it's actually going to drop the slides in this section for you, and then you can manipulate those slides. You can move them around. You can do whatever you want to. So here's my PowerPoint. And let's say that I wanted to create a quiz or something at the end of this. I would just do a right click, add slide, and then I can add an activity. I can do a memory test, fill in the blanks, draw it, a quiz. And let's say I wanted to create a quiz. So if I wanted to create a quiz, what I would do is just type in the question here. So let me just make up a question. What are the steps to analyzing a poem? So I would just put read the poem, read the prompt, break down the prompt, and answer the big question. And then look for evidence. And then just for the sake of this tutorial thing, I'm just going to put some random stuff. Random answer, random answer, and then I'm going to pick the real answer. Okay, so I'm just going to add that question, and then I'm going to say, oh, sorry, I'm not going to add the question. I'm going to save this. So I'll push save, and then you'll see that right there they added a quiz. Now if I wanted the quiz at the end, I can just move it around. So if I move it around and I want it here, I think I'm like, oh, that looks good. Then I'm like, nah, let me move it to the end. So if I want it at the end, I could do that as well. Oh, well, it's not letting me. I don't know why it was doing that. That was weird. Okay, so then I can move it to the end, and then it will grade it for me since I put the correct answer. So then I do save and exit. And then once I do save and exit, if I want the kids to do this, I can do student paste. Click on that right there. I can send them an email, send it to them through Snapchat, I don't know. Click the link and add it to Canvas, or click the embed thing here and add it to Canvas. And so if I'm going to do that, let's say I'm going to do a link. Then I'm going to go to my Canvas assignment. And when I go to the Canvas assignment, I'm just going to go into the class that I wanted to add it to, go to my modules, link to the modules. Let's see here. I'm going to add it to tomorrow's lesson. So let's just do a random assignment. organizing by ideas, so I'm going to add that, and then all I have to do is I can do, when I click on edit and add my stuff, I can go down here and do external tool, where it puts here, and then I can just add the link. So click paste, make sure I did that correctly. I'm going to make sure. So click the link, go here, paste it here. Oh, it doesn't look like it's pasting. Actually, let's go to Nearpod. Let's do that. And then basically what it will do is it will have the students go to this Nearpod, select, oh, what the heck? This is too long.